we've had a lot of requests to create a height adjustable foot for our VPI turntable customers, and not only adjustable but also utilize our sorbethane isolation as well. And these sorbethane isolators are very popular with Mnpctech's turntable isolation feet. Now, each one of these VPI feet will fit the VPI Prime, VPI Scout, VPI Super Prime, and VPI Signature turntable. And each foot weighs 16.7 ounces, largely because of the 6061 machine aluminum body, and the bottom foot is rubber. So there you have it. By request, we finally got these out for our customers, and thank you again for supporting Mnpctech.